Like.
Like LOOK. Look.
Good morning, ma'am. Look at the yellow dog.
Very good.
The yellow dog is big.
Well done, Tarnika. Very good. Thank you so much, Tarnika. Janavi,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, read the sentence.
This is a dog. THEDOG is
YELLOW. Yellow.
YLLYE
YELLOW. 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 Okay. The dog is yellow.
W. Dog is yellow. Very okay.
Next one.
OF of.
Huh?
OF of. THE.
Janavi. What are you reading, Janavi? LOOK. What is LOOK?
LOOK.
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 Point out with your pointer finger and read. Point at the screen and read. Look.
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 Okay.
AT.
Yeti. No, ma'am. TH.
AT is there, no?
Yeti.
What is that?
Yeti.
What is
O, W.
THE?
Yellow.
What is THE?
ENG dog.
Why don't you look at the screen, Janavi? You're looking at your mama here and there. When you look at the screen only, you will read, no? Focus on the screen.
Ma'am, how's it? How say it?
Huh?
How say that?
How to say this?
Through the window,
don't
she
know
can
what-
see the houses, ma'am, that she was telling, ma'am.
I can't
No.
hear you. Okay, come on, read. Look at the YELLOW.
YET. O, W.
Yellow.
Yellow. TOG. Dog.
Dog. Look at the yellow dog. Good morning, Manaitek.
Me, I did this.
The yellow dog is big. Okay, thank you, Janavi. Harshini, read the second one.
Second one or third one?
Dice.
Okay.
DIC is ICE is ice.
That.
ICE is ice.
This is
DICE is dice. Okay, come on.
This is a dice.
Hmm.
The dice is yellow color.
Yellow, no color.
Yellow. Look at this yellow duck. Dice.
Dice. Next.
Good morning,
Good morning, Madan.
Yellow dice big.
Is big. Where is? You ate that, Issa? Very hungry? Ate it? The yellow dice is big. Okay, thank you so much, Maharshini.
That's that, ma'am.
Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Duck.
ma'am.
Read the duck one.
The is the
Dava. Is it the? Good morning, Ma Kartikeyan.
duck.
This is
This
a
is a-
duck.
The duck is yellow. See the yellow duck.
Is it see the yellow duck?
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಓಕೆ
Huh?
LOOK.
LOOK. Look.
At the
Look at the
duck.
yellow duck. Very good. Louder, Ma Siddharth.
ಲೌಡರ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್
The
yellow duck is big.
very good, Ma Siddharth. Nightek. 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 Nightek is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nightek, are you there, Nightek? Okay,
Yes,
come on,
ma'am.
read this, Nightek. Read the first one. Dog, dog.
Good morning, Manila ma'am. Have a good day.
Good
The dog.
morning, Makavyani. Have a good day, you too.
Okay.
It's
Hmm.
dog.
Pare. What's the sound?
Louder, Nightek.
Sound.
This is a dog. Dog is a
Doggy.
The dog is
yellow.
Yellow.
yellow. Very good.
Look.
Look at
Look at the
yellow.
screen first.
ഇത് ഇവിടെ നോക്ക് ഇവിടെ നോക്ക് ഇത് നോക്ക് look at the
Good morning, Ma. Dev Krish.
yellow dog.
Look at the
Look at the yellow
dog.
Nightek.
No
Yes, ma'am.
Focus, Nightek. What happened? Come on. The
The
big.
is yellow dog is big.
the yellow dog is big. Okay, thank you so much, Nightek. Next is Nukshita.
ഇത് ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്
Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Nukshita. Second one. Nightek, fresh up yourself, Nightek.
Yes.
Second one, dice. ICE is dice. DICE is dice. Okay.
Dice.
This is a dice. Very good. Next one.
This dice.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Second
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
sentence.
Cheetah.
నెక్స్ట్ DIC ఏమొస్తుంది అక్కడ లుక్ అట్ ది స్క్రీన్
Dice.
డైస్
The dice
Is
is
దిస్
dice.
the dice is
YELLOW వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ yellow
Yellow.
the dice is yellow.
నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ లైన్ లుక్ అట్ ది స్క్రీన్ అమ్మ అక్కడ చూడు లుక్ అట్ ది స్క్రీన్ ఫస్ట్ L
LOOK. Look. K. Look.
లుక్
Look.
80.
At TH. The YELLOW.
What color is it? Yellow.
DICE.
డైస్
Dice.
Dice. Very good. Next one. Look at the yellow dice. Next one.
TH
TH.
The
చెప్పు నెక్స్ట్ YE చూడు అక్కడ
YELLOW. Yellow.
the yellow
D-I-C-E.
Dice.
Dice.
Hmm.
I-S-S.
Hmm.
I-G.
I-G-E.
Ig.
Ba-ik-ik.
Yes.
Very good, Manukshita. Thank you so much. Next is, who else is there? Kavyani.
Program.
Kavyani. Read, ma.
T-H. T-H-I-S. This. I-S is. A.
What picture is given there? D-U-C-K?
Ah.
D-U-C-K. What picture is given? What picture is this?
Duck.
This is a duck.
This is a duck.
Second one.
T-H. E. This.
This again, this T-H-E is this?
The.
What is it? The.
D. D-U-C-K.
Hmm. Hmm.
I-S is.
Hmm.
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. The duck is yellow. Okay. Third sentence.
Look.
Hmm.
At. T-H-E. The.
Hmm.
Yellow.
Hmm.
Duck.
Very good. Next one.
T-H-E. The.
Hmm.
Yellow.
Hmm.
Duck.
Hmm.
I-S is.
Hmm. B-I-G. Big. Very good, Kavyani. Nice improvement, Kavyani. Well done. Next is Dev Krish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kana. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
First one, dog.
T-H-I.
Is this the way you read T-H-I-S? What is T-H? The is this. Like that you have to read, no?
I-S is.
Mm. Dog. This is a dog. Mm.
This
Second
is a
sentence.
dog.
Mm.
Dog.
Mm.
It's
Mm.
yellow.
Very good. Third one.
Look
Mm.
at
Mm.
the
Mm.
yellow
Mm.
dog.
Very good. Fourth one.
The yellow dog
Mm.
is
Mm.
big.
Very good, ma. Dev Krish. Well done, ma. Next is Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Dice.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is a dice.
Mm.
This is a dice.
Second sentence.
The dice is yellow.
Very good. Third sentence.
Hello, okay.
Yellow, okay?
Look.
Look.
Mm.
Look at the.
Mm.
Look at the yellow
Look at
dice.
the yellow dice. Very good. Next one.
Yellow dice.
Big.
Big. Big.
Very good. The yellow dice is big. Thank you so much, Madanvin.
Big.
Well done. Next is Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan. Rohita.
Ma'am.
Rohita, read the duck, ma. Duck sentence.
Duck and duck. What is the chapter? Yes.
This is a duck.
Okay. Next line. Which color?
Yellow.
అదే చెప్పు మొత్తం the duck.
Sentence.
It's yellow.
Very good.
Next. Hello, okay?
Yellow. Okay. Low.
Huh? Look.
Look.
Ah.
Look at the duck.
ఏ duck?
Yellow duck.
Yellow duck.
Yellow duck.
Okay.
Fourth one.
The duck is big.
Very good, Rohita. Well done, Rohita. Very good girl. Okay, next
Thank you,
is
Shibu.
Thanks, ma'am.
Satvika is there. Satvika. Pranita. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the first one. Dog. This is a dog.
I'm on dog.
Read.
This is the dog.
அடுத்தது
Dog is
அடுத்தது படி ஏத்து குட்டி படி
The dog is yellow.
the dog is yellow. Dog is
அடுத்தது லுக்
look and
அடுத்து
at the yellow dog.
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 Next one, fourth sentence.
The yellow dog is big.
Very good, Pranita. Well done. Good to see you reading like this. Thank you so much, Pranita. Yes, Tarnika over. Vivan. Vivan. Second one, dice.
Is
This one you read.
Louder, Vivan.
okay.
Okay, come on.
This is a dice. The dice is yellow. Look at the yellow dice. The yellow dice is biggest.
Well done. Awesome, Vivan. Very good boy. Next is Vidyut. Vidyut.
Good morning, Regina ma'am.
Good morning, Ma. Satvika, I called you. Now only you joined. Satvika, read the third one, Ma. This is a duck. Satvika.
They ma'am.
It's not there. Vidyut, I'll call you. Vidyut. Finish with Satvika.
This
Finish with Satvika, Ma, Vidyut. And then I'll come to you, okay?
THIS. THIS. This is the THIS.
Satvika, don't play. First finish reading and then you can play, Satvika. Focus. Keep your pointer finger on the screen and read. Come on.
Yeah. Duck.
Very good. This is a duck. Second sentence.
This is a duck.
Second one.
Itchy. The
Fast, Satvika. We don't have time. Come on. Read fast.
Hello.
Good. Third sentence. The duck is yellow. Third sentence.
Hello. Okay.
Look.
Look.
Look at the yellow duck. Fourth sentence.
The yellow duck
Is
yes is
big. Why start with big? Big. Okay, next is Vidyu. Come on, ma. Vidyu.
படிக்கிறா
Duck, duck.
Parky.
Duck.
they
ஐஎஸ் என்னது
it
இது the ஓகே
D-U-C-K. Duck. What picture is given? Duck, no? That's it. D-U-C-K, duck. Next one. Second sentence.
this is a duck ஓகே என்ன இது the
the
இது duck இல்ல அப்ப இது படிக்கல
Duck.
the duck and ஏதோ
Okay, Vidyu, I will ask you few words. That alone you say. What is IS? IS
ஐஎஸ் இல்லது
it
is only you have to answer with you. Next is AT. What is AT? AT at. What is THE? What is THE?
TH ಎಂದದು அப்படியே நோக்கு TH ಎಂದது மேல நம்ம பண்ணி
The. THE is the.
the
Okay, what is THIS? THIS.
yes
ஐஎஸ் என்னது
I yes
What is it?
it
the is ಎಂದது
This. Okay? This. Well done, ma, Vidyu. Thank you so much. Next is Darshika. Darshika, read this. Dog.
this is a dog
Second one.
th duck
Hmm.
this is a dog
This is a dog, correct. Second one. THE, the.
th the
Hmm.
eo dog
Dog, the dog.
dog is
Hmm. YELLOW. What color is it? Yellow.
yellow
The dog is yellow. Third sentence.
okay
Look.
look
Hmm.
at
Hmm.
yellow
Hmm.
yellow dog
Very good. Look at the yellow dog. Fourth sentence.
the dog is yellow
The fourth one. This one. The.
yellow
Hmm.
dog
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
big
Very good. The yellow dog is big. Very good. Karthikeyan. Dice.
yellow
Dice. Dice.
the
The. Is it the?
What is that?
this is a dice
Very good.
the dice is yellow
Very good.
look at the yellow dice
Very good.
The yellow dice is big.
Very good, ma. Thank you so much, ma. Kartikeyan. Vishang. Vishang.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Come on, read this duck one, ma.
Read this one. This. This.
This
Hmm.
is the dog.
This is a
It's a duck. Very good.
A duck.
Hmm.
இங்க பாரு. இங்க பார்த்தா தான் படிக்க முடியும்.
Look at the screen and read. When you look at the screen only, you will read
This
The
second sentence.
duck is
இங்க பார்த்தா தான் படிக்க முடியும். இங்க பாருங்க. The
duck is
என்ன கலர்?
yellow color.
The duck is
The
yellow.
duck is yellow.
Duck is yellow.
Third sentence.
Look
Hmm.
at the duck.
Yellow duck. Look at the yellow duck.
Look at the
Why don't you focus, ma, Vishang?
The
After reading also, you can play, no? Fourth
The-
sentence.
the
Hmm.
YELLOW என்னது? Yellow.
yellow
DUCK. சொல்லுங்க. DUCK என்னது? Duck.
The
Duck.
yellow.
yellow
Duck.
the yellow
Duck
duck
is
is
BIG.
big.
BIG என்னது?
What is IG?
Dog.
The yellow duck is big.
What is IG?
The yellow duck is big.
What is IG?
Thank you so much, ma. Vishang. Zadi. Zadi.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Zadi, finish first. Dog.
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 DHIS. DHIS?
DHS is
This.
Concentrate, Zadi. This.
Ready. Next.
IS is
Hmm.
yes is a
This is a
Dog.
ugly
Dog.
next one. Second
This is
sentence.
is a
This is a dog.
What is THC?
This is a dog.
Next.
Okay, second sentence.
The
When only when you look at the screen, you will read the D.
Look
Or
at the
else
screen.
the
the
What is this?
TH dot
Dog.
the dog the dog.
what is
Next.
IS?
IS.
IS is
The dog is
YELLOW.
what color is it?
White.
White.
W yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. LOOK.
Dog is yellow, babe.
Good. Third one. Sorry. LOOK.
Yellow, okay?
Look. Hmm.
It is
Act.
THC.
Next. THE.
TH the
Look at the
Y W yellow.
yellow. Look at the yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow
Dog.
dog.
Okay. Next one.
Yellow. The.
The dog.
Third one. The.
Ready.
The
Yellow W.
W
What is this? What is the color?
Yellow.
yellow.
Hmm.
Dog.
Dog.
Dog. IS.
Yes is
Boy.
Big.
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 Yellow
The
dog
yellow
is-
dog is big. Thank you so much, ma. Children, all of you join your hands and close your eyes.
big.
Yeah, thank you so much. Tarnika, kids anthem.
Kitty anthem. Yaar me, yaar infinite, yaar unique, my potential inside. Yaar the wings beneath my flight, unify me, my potential inside. Today I bet with all my might, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning, children.
Good morning.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, children. Darshika,
Yes, ma'am.
Dev Krish, Danvin,
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan, absent. Danvin, yesterday you were there in class.
No, ma'am, we were absent yesterday.
Parnas, Hashini,
Here I am, ma'am.
Janavi,
Here I am.
Kartikeyan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Kavyani,
Yes, ma'am.
Naitek,
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Ranita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Rohita, yes ma'am, cheppu.
Ritvik,
Playing ma'am, mute.
Mithila. Okay, no issues. Mithila, Kartika,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Tarnika,
Yes, ma'am.
Vishank,
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut,
See
Vidyut,
the bus.
Lakshana.
Bus.
Kartika, mute yourself, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Here I am,
Very good, children. Marks. Okay, coming back to rhyme. First rhyme is solar system rhyme. Who is going to sing solar system rhyme?
Rohita ma'am.
Okay, Rohita. Rohita. I said Rohita. Come on.
Rohita నువ్వే చెప్పు. Start చేయి.
Eight planets around the sun. Let me call them 191. Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars. So
At the closest.
to the sun.
Hmm.
Jupiter is big and fast. Saturn comes with rings and mice.
Hmm.
Venus and Mercury are so far, but just in time.
Very good. Well done. Okay, next is rainbow rhyme. Who is going to sing? Rainbow rhyme. Zeddy, rainbow rhyme.
All of David's rainbow is so violet. All of David indigo is the color blue. In the green and yellow calmness, all the color blue.
And there's orange too. Finally,
Finally, it's rainbow.
red. Okay, thank you so much. Hashmi, rainbow rhyme. Hashmi, rainbow rhyme.
Okay, ma'am. All over is the rain. It's a violet. Red, the indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next. Then this orange too. Finally, the red and the rainbow is spread.
Very good. Well done. Okay, now the third rhyme. Miss Polly had a dolly. Who is going to sing? Janvi.
Vishank, ma'am.
Janvi, come on. Come on, Janvi. Miss Polly had a dolly.
Had a dolly, oh, a stick, 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 and it's a story that doctor would a tick, tick, tick. And
The doctor came along.
Doctor came along and tat. Look and the dolly to the sleigh to bed.
Jahanavi, what are you singing? Who knows the rhyme well?
Vishal.
Danvin, come on, Danvin. Yeah, come on, ma, Danvin. Miss Polly had a doll.
Had a dolly that was sick, sick, sick. Oh, doctor come back to the foot. The doctor came along with the bag and hat. She knocked at the door with the hat. Doctor Dolly and
Shook his head.
Miss Polly put the sleigh to bed. The road the black bull.
Very good. Bill. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Madanvin. Okay, children, today we are going to see a story. Are you ready for the story? Yes, how many of you want story?
Yes, ma'am.
These days, the children are telling stories, no? So today, ma'am is going to tell you a story, and the name of the story is Pepper Learns to Take Turns. What is the meaning of Pepper learns to take turns? What do you mean by learning to take turns? Okay, for example, if you are playing with your friends in a park.
Right, left, right, left, right, left.
Everyone mute yourself. Let me ask you a question. Mute yourself. Example, you are playing with your friends. Okay, and then you have 4 of you are playing in a park, and there is only one swing. What will you do? If there is only one swing, what will you do? But 4 are there. Okay, what will you do? You'll go and fight with each other. Will you go and fight with each other? No or yes? You'll fight No, you will take turns. Okay, first you will allot any one of your friend to go and play, and then as soon as they get done, then you will go and play. So one by one you will go and play. Okay, instead of fighting, you have to learn to take turns. Okay, so today's story is based on that only, and the name of the story is Pepper Learns to Take Turns. Okay, see here. This is Pepper, and this is Dan, and this is Kate. Okay, here there are 3 friends. Among the 3 friends, one is Pepper here, the second one is Dan, and here you can see Kate. Her name is Kate. Okay, so what is happening here? Can you see what is happening here? Pepper has pushed his friend Dan down. Why he pushed him down? Shall we see? Because he wanted to play in the swing. See here, there is only one swing. So he wanted to play in that swing. For that, he pushed his friend Dan down. Okay, so what Kate is saying? Now it's my turn. Give me the swing, Pepper. But what Pepper is saying? No. See here, N-O, no. What Pepper is saying? No, I won't give you. I want to play for some time. I won't give you the swing. And what happened? See here, Kate and Dan, they don't want to fight with Pepper. Say what they decided is they decided to play in a slide. See here, what Kate is saying? Let's play on the slide, Dan. Let's play on the slide, Dan. Okay, and what Dan is saying? Yes, come on, let's go and play in the slide. Since Pepper is playing in the swing, we cannot play here. We'll go somewhere else and we'll play with some other material. Okay, they said like that and they moved on. And then what happened? All of a sudden, Pepper left the swing and he came to the slide too. Is it good habit, children? See here, he left the slide when they were asking that swing. He did not give that swing, right? Now he saw his friends playing in the slide and he came there also. See here, and he started pushing. See what Dan is saying? Stop pushing me. Dan is saying, stop pushing me. And what Pepper is saying? No, me first. I am only going to go down first. And Kate is saying, not again. Please don't fight again. Let's play together. What happened? They left for Pepper and they said, okay, Pepper, you go first. Okay, and then Pepper came down. And Pepper, that's not fair. What Dan is saying? That is not at all fair, Pepper. Why are you doing like this? And what Kate said, okay, let him play in the slide also. Let's go and play in the seesaw. See here what Kate is saying? Let's play on the seesaw. Okay, what Kate is saying? Let's play on the seesaw. For that, what Dan said? Okay, Kate, let's go and play in the seesaw. Pepper watched this too. He was playing in the slide, right? At once, what he did? He came to the seesaw. See how bad boy has become? Okay, see here, he started to sit in the seesaw also, and he is not leaving for Dan. What Kate is saying? Pepper, let Dan sit. Why are you doing like this, Pepper? Myself and Dan only came here to play, right? So let Dan sit first. But what Pepper is saying? No, I am only going to play first. Let me first play, then let Dan play. He's saying like that. And what happens? See here? Get off, Pepper. It's Dan's turn now. You're bad. You don't let me play. Dan and Pepper, they start quarreling. So, is this the way you behave with your friends, children? See, they started quarreling. How much time they will be very patient? All this time they were very patient. First, they were playing with the swing. Okay, they left it out. Then they came to the slide. There also they left it. And finally, they came to the seesaw. There also Pepper came to fight with them. So what to do? So what Kate and Dan decided? They decided to go to Kate's house and play. See what Kate is saying? Let's go to my house, Dan. Kate is calling Dan to her house, okay? I have a new game. We won't take Pepper. Let's not take Pepper. Let him play here itself. Has become a very bad boy. He is not sharing the toys with us. So let's go to our house. I have a new game. Let's play with that. What happened? See how Pepper is looking? Oh no, they got very angry. I want to go too. He also wants to go and play with Kate and Dan. For that, what he has to do? Yes, what he do? He should take turns, no? He should have left Kate and Dan to play. But he didn't do like that. He was quarreling. So they both got angry and finally Pepper started to cry. Finally, what did he say? Sorry, Kate. Sorry, Dan. Let me come, please. I won't be bad. Finally, he realized what mistake he did. Since all are friends, they have to adjust with each other. Okay? So, finally, he realized what mistake he has done. And he said, sorry, Kate. Sorry, Dan. Hereafter, I will not do like that. Hereafter, we'll take turns and play. Let me come with you. Let me also play with you. And then what they said? Promise me, hereafter you should not be like this. Okay, and they all started to play together. So what do you learn from this story? Even if it is your brother or sister or your friends, wherever you are going, even if it is in a school also, when you are playing with your friends, you should not quarrel with each other. Okay, you should learn to take turns. Okay, you go first and play, I'll play next. Have to learn to take turns instead of fighting. When you fight, what will happen? They'll get angry on you. Okay, children, so you should not fight with your friends. Okay, so do you like the story? See here, they started to play together. And what is the game they are playing? Can you see what game they are playing? Okay, I have another. Okay, very good, children. Another question also. Snake and ladder, what game is that? Is it an indoor game or outdoor game?
Indoor game.
Right? Because they are playing and then all those flying and all. was that? Was it indoor or outdoor?
Outdoor.
So that was the outdoor game. So what did you learn from this? You should not quarrel with your friends. You should learn to take turns with your friends. Okay? Instead of fighting, you have to be friendly with each other. Okay, children, did you all like the story? Yes or no? No, what? Let me ask you another question also. Let me ask you another question. How many friends were playing there? 1, 2, 3 or 4? How many friends were playing? Yes, what was the name of the friend? Mute yourself, everyone. And the third question is, first, in which they were playing, in which they wanted to play. Seesaw? Is it seesaw? Is it slide? No, it was not a slide. What they wanted to play first? In the swing. And second, where did they go? Second, where did they go? Very good. They went to the slide to play. And third, where did they go? What are the three games? One is swing, second one is slide, and the third one is seesaw. Okay. At last, what Pepper said to their friends? What Pepper said to his friends at last, after realizing his mistake? What he said? Sorry, hereafter I will not do like this. Hereafter I will take turns. Sorry, Kate. Sorry, Dan. He said like that. Okay. So, very good, children. Well done. You have answered it well. And your next activity is colors activity. Okay. Colors activity. You are going to bring what all colors I am telling you. And you are going to say 2 sentences about it. Okay. 3 colors I am going to tell you. One is red, next one is blue, and the third one is green. 3 color objects you are going to bring and you are going to say 2 sentences about it. Okay? Come on, get ready.
Red, blue, and green, no, ma'am?
Red, blue, and green.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Ready? Who is ready? Nukshita. Come on, Nukshita. Red, blue, and green. 3 colors you have to bring. 2 sentences. That's enough.
It is green. It is black. It is blue.
Tell me 2 sentences.
Another sentence.
I like blue color.
Okay. Next one. The same. I like red color. I like green color. No, not accepted.
Next channel.
Children, you all became very smart children. Okay, think of it. I'll ask someone else.
Rohita ma'am.
Dev Krish. Louder.
First, என்ன color next?
Very good. Well done, ma. Dev Krish. Rohita. Frame your own sentences, children. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is the bottle green. This is the broccoli green. This is the black. Red. What's this?
Ball.
This is a bowl, red.
But
This is a bottle, milk bottle.
this blue spoon. Sure.
This is the blue chaka.
This is
Okay,
lovely.
na. So many sentences. I asked you 2 sentences and you are saying this
Nice. Blue.
much. Okay.
What is color?
This is a red bag.
School bag. Okay, yeah.
This is my bag.
Very
Anand.
good, Rita.
Red.
Well done, Harshni.
Yes, ma'am. This is my gata. I want to green color. I want to play.
Okay.
I want to bottle.
This is
This is
I
my
want to
bottle. This is my bottle. I want to. This is the and then the drink bottle. I want to drink.
Huh? What you are saying?
This is my building bag. I want to play.
You should not say like that. It is not I want to. You should not use like that. This is a building block. I play with it every day.
I play with every day.
When you are asking permission only, you should use that I want to word. Okay? Okay, Ashni.
Okay, ma'am.
Well done, Ashni. Next is Daddy.
This is the pen and this is green in color. This is mug. This is red in color.
Next.
This
Use
is
your questions and call one by one. This is a
bucket.
bucket.
Blue color.
Very good, Daddy.
Blue
Thank you,
color.
Daddy. Next is enough, Daksita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, Daddy. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth.
Color. I drink coffee. Truck is green colored big. Green colored big.
Big color, big.
It's big.
It is big. Okay. Huh?
Crayons is blue color.
Hmm.
What's the coloring?
Okay. Very good, Siddharth. Next is Danvin.
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 This is my red. This is my mom.
Ah.
This is my plate. This is my green color.
Okay.
This is green color.
Next.
This is my pillow. My blue color.
Good. Well done, Danvin. Karthikeyan.
Mom. Red apple. Red apple. Red.
Next.
Green apple. Favorite color. Apple. Color
Okay.
green. Blue watching machine. Blue watching machine. That's our color.
Yeah, fine. Good. Vidyut. Good, ma Karthikeyan. Vidyut. Vidyut. Wow. Small bicycle.
Blue cycle. With that. Two-wheeler.
Sound break.
Two-wheeler, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next one.
This is a red flag. This is two.
What?
Money.
Oh, you use it to keep money. Okay, good. Next one.
This is a green kitten.
Aha.
Okay, this is my favorite. Pinna, this is my
This is my
favorite T-shirt.
kitten.
It is my favorite T-shirt. Ah, okay, good. Well done, ma Vidyut. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
சொல்லு.
The app is
Hmm.
red color.
Hmm.
Color is
Hmm.
blue color. Toy is green color.
Very good, Pranita. Next is Tarnika.
ஒன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. திருட்டு பொண்ணு சொல்லுதுப்பா. பாடு கொஞ்ச நேரம். கிளாஸ் முடிச்சு சாப்பிடு. பண்ணுவாங்க நீ உட்காரு.
Mute yourself.
மீட் பண்ணிக்குமா. மீட் பண்ணிக்கோ.
Come on, Tarnika. Drop the ball.
This is a ball. This is a bat. I like playing cricket.
Very good. Next.
This is a penguin.
Hmm.
This is a blue color paint. I like to paint.
Very good. Next.
This is a green box. Pencil box. Pencil. I like keeping. I keep pencil eraser.
Okay, very good. Well done, Tarnika. Satvika. Satvika.
This is a train. This is a train.
Okay.
I like to go train.
I like to go in train. Okay.
This is a camel. Brown camel.
Okay. Next.
Brown camel. Red elephant.
Hmm.
Red elephant. Red elephant.
I like to play.
I like to play red elephant.
Very good. Very good, Satvika. Janvi. Janvi.
Black Mickey Mouse. This is my plate.
Black.
This is my
Did I ask you black?
yellow unicorn. This
Hello. I asked only red, blue, and green. I didn't ask you black, yellow. No.
my block. This is my plate.
This is
This is my picture.
what are you saying, Janavi? Janavi, I can't hear. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Janavi. Next is Nitila. Nitila.
This is a bird.
Hmm.
This is the one. The red color.
Okay.
This is the green dinosaur. This
Hmm.
is the toy.
Okay. Next one.
It's blue.
Hmm.
Blue dress.
Okay.
Favorite color.
Very good, Manitila. Kavyarni. Kavyarni.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Same, huh?
Red
This
color.
is apple. It is red in color.
Red color.
Next one.
I eat apple daily.
Every day.
Every day.
Okay, next. Very good, Ma Kavyarni. Next.
This color. Glass. I drink the glass.
You drink the glass. What is in the glass?
Water.
Okay, I drink water in it. Okay, next one.
The capsicum. Good fruit.
For health. Fine.
Health.
Okay, good, Kavyani. Next is Nightek. Nightek.
This is geometry box. This is pencil box.
This is pencil box.
Hmm.
It is green color.
Very good, Nightek. Next one.
This is tomato.
Hmm.
This is red color.
Okay, next.
This is
Ah,
geometry box.
Hmm.
This is blue color.
Very good, Nightek. Next is Vivan. Vivan.
லவுடா சொல்லுமா.
Vivan.
I mean, he's not in the mood to sing.
Okay. So, next is who else I didn't ask? Vishank.
Ishan, ready?
This is my red color monster truck.
Okay, red color monster truck. Very good.
This is my.
This is leaf.
This is green color leaf.
Very good. Hmm.
This is my blue snacks plate.
Very good. Well done, Ma. Thank you so much, Vishank. Anyone who else I have left out? Everyone said da? Is there anyone who I have left out? Okay, thank you so much, children. You brought your toys and said it correctly, described it also. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. Have a happy day.
Bye, man. Bye.